Hey guys, today I will try all the landings, real life versus infinite flight. Let's see which the better. What the heck? Let's see how to this landing. It's very hard, but let's see. Bruh. Where is Garuda Indonesia? It's here. Let's see it. I know that. Now let's see it. Now let's see the realistic. It's fake landing or real landing. I want to know it. Whoa, I know this the realistic. Okay, it Okay, let's do it. It's 8/3/19. Ah, look, the airport, it's London. I will be... Yes. I will do this solo. Look. No. Wait. Yes. Bruh. It's very realistic, but it's fake. because it's crushed. Oh no. The plane, it's US Airways. He's sing on the water. Why we not do it in Jeddah? Because Jeddah is city on the water. If you do like that, you are كذاب. Let's gonna be take off. I want to. Yes. Take off. Now the gear is up. There is the gear. Look. About 8 I want infinite flight beta. Because I want to draw a stick. I don't like the turret. Now go down, go. Go, aeroplane. Go, aeroplane. Overspeed. Oh no. Don't sing. Pop. Pull out. Terrain. 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 Pull out. Oh no, it's fake 2 of 100, but it's realistic. I put them 5 stars. If you know that, tell me in the comments. Boeing 737. It's realistic, but I put then 3 stars.